During the I.K. Gujral government, my uncle, who happens to be my dad's first wife's husband, was the Home Minister of India. And I saw politics very closely, Indrajit Gupta. And though a communist, he was a great orator and I think one of the leading speakers or parliamentarians India has ever seen. And I used to speak to him a lot, and I used to get very troubled by this growth of BJP from 2 seats to the seat of power. And when during Narasimha Rao's time, when the Babri Masjid was demolished, and then we had all the riots, and then we had the BJP come into full force in government, that was the time when Mrs. Sonia Gandhi and the Congress party was not doing well, and Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, who was against politics, never wanted her husband to become part of Indian politics, then came forward. And then I realized the importance of, don't sit back. We all have to make a difference. We all have to work hard to bring the change, because rational thinking, secular credentials, the voice of the human spirit or the endeavor should be communicated to people. And just being a social worker or just being an actor was not enough. I could, through politics, reach out and make a difference in the lives of so many more. Because when you're young, or when you are new in politics, because of Congress being such an old, wise party, there are so many leaders already in existence who want to be where they are. To get a place in the sun is a tough job. But when I was handpicked to go back home and contest from South Calcutta, that was when my resolve was, I was totally ignited. And to remind you, by my contesting from West Bengal, the BJP lost their seats. Trinamool, which is Mamata Banerjee's party, lost totally, except Mamata Banerjee, who was the president of the party. The Congress party came to power by 6 MPs. And in Bengal itself, they lost 6 MPs, and Congress got about 6 MPs into parliament. So I think I did a great job.